Looks too much vine. Yeah, we're walking through a dirt path right now. This is not part of the path though. We're just doing our own little thing. So we're going to do some stuff out here. If I will put that on this video too. And then we're gonna have another video. I will be riding a bike. So it's not gonna be but if you want to check that out, you can. And we will also be at the park. We will be by our school. So if you want to check this out, just check it out. Now you gotta be lying. Why are you lying? Cooper, you want to have the phone? Just don't press the stop recording button. Oh. Like my new shoes? I like my new shoes. Look, we found it. Oh yeah. Right up there. There it is. And also earlier we saw a crane in the water. Yeah, we don't know how he got down there. You have to get down a gigantic float. Unless you have he was the strongest person in the world and pulled it up all the way up there with his teeth. And pulled it down with his teeth. Hey, do you want to go see if we can find the crane? Go over here. It's not that, no? That's the neighborhood. No, I mean the water. The pit of water. Look at our lizard. Look at his colors. I know. Cool. No, the pit of water is not down that way. Oh, yeah. You have to go all the way down. Right now we're just walking. Let me ask you guys a question. Comment down below. What is all this blue stuff? There's like blue rocks and stuff. And I want to know what it is. So comment down below what it is. What you think it is. I really want to know. Looks weird. And I do not know why my recording is so good on this, but on my mom's phone, the recording is actually kind of blurry. But on my phone, even when I got Cooper, look at this. A cactus. Oh, I know a cactus. Well, he did. There's people back there. Oh. Cactus right here. Go along the spikes are. Careful. Be sharp. I can see that. Let's go. Oh, dude, I want to do the thing. I know everything's back there. How are we going to do that then? I don't know. No one have to? What? We have to go the other way. Where are they back there? Oh, they're camping. You can't camp here. I know. And also, I will be doing a cool tour. We might go somewhere, I don't know, but when I head back down to Ohio, I will show you guys how it is down there, if some of you already live in Ohio. But I just want to get a couple likes and views, subscribe, and also subscribe to my friend's channel. Small little yo. That will be posted in the link down below. From another turtle. What time is it? turtles. It's a gopher turtle. Dangerous. Yeah, gopher turtles dig really far, but we really don't know how to get out. Because we saw one, it went into two paths. So it went down and down. We stuck two big sticks in there, and one of the sticks went in fully. And the other one just stopped half point. So that was pretty cool. That was last week or something, but you guys won't see that, but okay. We'll be walking around. Oh yeah, for all you guys out there on Gmail, I will send you my Gmail, but you can also check me out on Gmail. Who the hell are you? I don't use Gmail. I don't use it. I don't like Gmail. Well, I use it to like YouTube things, like not to like look up my. Oh my gosh. I use it to like look up my YouTube channels. Like when I post a new video. But that's it. We might be a bit lost. Oh no. You okay? Also, I just forgot I'm wearing my sandals, so. Here we go. So we need to find our bikes and scooters. And then we'll head to the park. Not the park. The park? No. I thought we were going to. Mm-mm. Where are we going then? The other area. What area? So we can do it again. Oh yeah. I'm going to ride the bike there. Alright, well then I get to ride the bike back then. No, I'll ride the scooter. Because it'd be easier for me to hold this for when we're doing this on the way back. And I will also be posting some games like Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 3 when I get it. What? Oh, I won't. And there will be some funny moments and all that. Like funny moments of Minecraft and Black Ops. Sorry, I'm just a little slow. Cooper, what time is it?